All right, so we have connected a temporary but quite functional drip irrigation system to this faucet here. I have a brand new rain point distribution thingamajiggy, three-way distributor. I really like these. They're really good. Anyways, so that's on right now. It splits left, goes around through all that, ending at that tree there that really needs water. And then it goes right past these. You can see them all watering. And yeah, so at this point, this whole corner finally is on a sprinkler system and it's going to do much better. So now that we have all the sprinklers in all the way around this corner here, we're going to cover it all up with the barrier, the deer barrier, and that should allow these poor little things that are getting eaten daily by the deer. See how these leaves are broken? That's because, yeah, they're getting eaten. So that'll put an end to that. And the other thing we need to do is round this, well, take this edge. This lawn is too close to the edge now, to the hedge now. So we're going to change this, bring it in a little bit, all the way around, redo that whole thing, which is a ton of work because there's edging in there that needs to be dug up and relayed. Yeah, we'll get it done. It'll happen for sure.